So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn about how to automate the export of the Oracle variables using a simple shell script. So basically we manually do it by using the etc ora file. Okay, so for example you can see here, right? So here we have our SID, then the Oracle home. Okay, then whether it will be automatically started after the reboot. So if this is Y, okay, here it is mentioned why, that means it will be reboot, it will be automatically start after the reboot. If it mention and it won't start after the reboot automatically. Okay, so we have to do it manually. So likewise Oracle home. Okay, Oracle home is this. So we have set the Oracle home. Now we need to set the Oracle SID, which is Chennai, right? Now we need to export the path, so which is again the Oracle home slash binary path. So this is how we do it manually. Okay, so every time if the server don't have set the Oracle variable, so we have to do it manually. So every time we have to do it manually, but in this video we uh, we will do it automatically using a shell script. Okay, so we will create a shell script which is export Oracle variable. Okay, dot sh, then change mode to the 777, export Oracle var.sh. Okay, done. Okay, let me open it and then edit it. So first of all bean shell. Okay, so for our SID we will mention SID. Okay, then here we will cat the ora file first of all we will cat the ora file, then pass it to the grep command. So now inside the grep command we need to set our pattern. Okay, so like I am using here 0 to 9, this is alphanumerical. Okay, slash. So here in this code what we are doing, so we will start from the beginning of the line, and inside this we want the alphanumerical character. Okay, so it will be of length, it will be between the length of 0 to 8. Okay, so maximum we need 8 character word. Okay, so that's why we have set it. So this is for the 8 character word, then this is the escape character. Okay, so after this we want a semicolon or colon. Okay, semicolon or colon. Now after this colon we need the location of the Oracle home. Okay, so for that I'm using this graph class. So this graph class means it is consist of alphanumerical. Okay, so it will be consist of the alphabet also and numerical also. So that's why we are using alphanumeric class, which is graph. So star means for all, then star will start from the slash command. Okay, slash, it will start to search for the slash, and then after it will copy the entire file path. Okay, now finally for getting the overall file path we will mention star at the end also. So this is what we will going to use with the by using the grep command. Now inside the awk command we will set a field separator, which is colon. Okay, so we want to separate the line from the ora tab using a separator which is colon. Okay, so before and after the colon everything will be separated by using this awk command. Now inside this, after the separation we want to mention or get the output from the first and second field. Okay, so that's why we are mentioning $1 and $2. Now after this, for getting the SID, we will print the first field. Okay, for getting the SID we will print the first field, that's it. So this will print the SID from the ora tab file. Okay, now for the ora home, again I will copy till this. Let me copy this. Okay, till this it will be same. Now we need to just change the field number. Okay, so instead of using the field number 1, we are using field number 2. Okay, so it will save the Oracle home. Now this is done. Now finally we will export Oracle home equal $home, right? Then export Oracle SID equal $a $SID. Now finally export the path equal $home slash bin, then path. Okay, done. So this is our simple shell script. Okay, so by using the shell script we can automate the exporting of the Oracle homes. Okay, now we will log in as a root user for understanding the example. Okay, now currently let me show you that whether our Oracle home and Oracle SID has been set or not. So you can see that there is nothing here. Also let me show the path also. So here it is root path. Okay, so now what we will going to do, let go inside the Oracle directory. Okay, and search for the Oracle where. Okay, so now for executing this, we will use a source command. Okay, so source command actually what it will do, it will extract the variables from this shell script. Okay, so for that I am using export Oracle var.sh using the source command. Now when we hit enter, we are done. Okay, so let me see that whether the Oracle variables has been set or not. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully set all the Oracle variables. Okay, using this shell script. So this is how we can do it using this script. Okay, so hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.